This is Nothing Ear 1 review. In this channel, we talk about technology, gadget, marketing, and whatever we want. So let's get started. The Nothing Ear 1, very comfortable, though, and some will love the transparent design enough to take a risk on the first true wireless earbuds from Nothing. The Nothing Ear 1 burst onto the market after months of hype. The first true wireless earbuds from OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei's new company. Unfortunately, the Ear 1 haven't quite lived up to the hype. While they do boast a unique transparent design, which shows off the inner workings of the earbuds and charging case, Nothing hasn't taken the concept far enough for the wireless earbuds to really make an aesthetic impact. Sure, you can see the circuit boards inside the earbud stems, but large portions of the buds and charging case are housed in opaque white plastic, which detracts from the overall look. Saying that, the Nothing Ear 1 are immensely comfortable to wear, and their touch controls are reliable and responsive. The audio with large drivers made in collaboration with Swedish audio company Teenage Engineering's, we were expecting an impressive soundstage from the Nothing Ear 1. Instead, we found the buds to be tinny, and frustratingly quiet. Though we appreciated the amount of detail in the higher frequencies. The noise cancellation provided by the Ear 1 leaves a lot to be desired, too. Battery life, on the other hand, is pretty good. You get about 34 hours in total with ANC switched off, that drops to 24 hours with ANC on, which is pretty impressive for a pair of true wireless earbuds. You can easily see how much battery you have left via the accompanying app, and the charging case supports wireless charging. Connectivity could be better, however. While the earbuds come with Bluetooth 5.2 support, we encountered lots of issues with pairing the Ear 1 and experienced infrequent but irritating connectivity dropouts. Overall, the Nothing Ear 1 are a bold first release from the new company, but an interesting design isn't enough to save these earbuds if they can't get the basics right. The Nothing Ear 1 price is £99, 5,999 rupees, about 130 Australian dollars, with the first availability of the buds coming via a limited drop on the Nothing website starting on July 31st at 9 a.m. EDT, 6 a.m. PDT, 2 p.m. BST, 11 p.m. EST. That price puts the Nothing Ear 1 at the lower end of the price scale for noise-canceling wireless earbuds. They're cheaper than the Sony WF-1000XM4 and the Apple AirPods Pro, for example. The design of the Nothing Ear 1 true wireless earbuds was always going to be divisive, and you'll either love it or hate it. The whole design aesthetic of the Nothing Ear 1 is based on the idea of transparency, and as such, the earbuds and charging case are nearly entirely see-through, save for the bottom of the charging case and the housings of the earbuds, which are both solid white. The transparent covers on the stems reveal some of the earbuds' inner workings, including the circuits, boards and magnets. It's a cool feature if you're into tech being fully on display, but those who prefer a sleeker aesthetic will probably want to look elsewhere. They're very comfortable to wear, and you get a selection of ear tips in the box, so you should be able to find a secure fit. The Ear 1 also come with an IPX4 water resistance rating, so you should be able to wear them while working out, without the worry that a little sweat will break them. The earbud stems are touch sensitive, allowing you to control your music playback in settings without digging out your phone. It's a double tap to play/pause your music, a triple tap to go to the next track, tap and hold to switch between the noise cancellation modes, and you can slide your finger up or down the stem to adjust the volume of your content. We found the controls worked very well, and were very responsive, and there's also a handy auto pause feature, so simply taking out your earbuds will stop your music automatically. The charging case is square and flat, with a flip-top design that closes with a satisfying snap. The top does come with a pleasing indent that you can fit your thumb into, and if you're so inclined, this allows you to flip the case around in your hand, a little like a fidget spinner. You'll notice that each earbud slot features a colored dot, red or silver. These dots correspond to the dots on the back of each earbud stem, letting you know at a glance which bud goes into which slot. On the right side of the charging case you'll find a pairing button and a USB-C charging slot, though you can top it up wirelessly if you wish. We can see the magnets, microphones, and circuit board, but, except for the circuit board, that's not exactly unusual. Inside the Nothing Ear 1 are 11.6mm drivers, quite large for true wireless earbuds, that have been tuned by audio company Teenage Engineering. Larger drivers like these tend to displace lots of air, which in turn provides a strong sound with powerful bass frequencies. Unfortunately, we didn't think the Ear 1 quite lived up to Nothing's claims that they would provide a rich, immersive sound. You can boost the lower frequencies by turning on the More Bass preset in the app, but we found it didn't have a huge effect. The soundstage didn't feel particularly wide, and the overall profile felt a bit tinny. Switched on to light, and the ANC may as well not be on at all. The transparency mode isn't much better. It didn't feel as though the sound of our surroundings was being fed into the earbuds, though high-frequency sounds did become a little clearer. The Nothing Ear 1 boasts a 5.7-hour battery life from the earbuds themselves, with a further 28 hours provided by the charging case. That's a total battery life of about 34 hours, though this drops to 24 hours if you're using ANC. If you need to quickly top up your buds, a swift 10-minute charge of the case will give you 8 hours of playback, enough to get you through a workday. You can charge the case wirelessly with a Qi-compatible mat, or via the USB-C port. Connectivity comes courtesy of Bluetooth 5.2, with support for SBC and AAC codecs, and nothing claims that the earbuds support fast pairing, so you'd think that hooking them up to your device would be easy. Connecting the earbuds via our phone's Bluetooth settings seemed to be successful initially, but we soon discovered that music wouldn't play through them. These connection dropouts never lasted long, but they were frequent enough to become irritating, and every time it happened, we'd have to open up Spotify and hit the play button again. The accompanying app lets you see how much battery life you have left, as well as toggle through the noise cancellation modes and equalizer presets and assign the touch controls to different actions. You can also use the app to ring your earbuds if you've lost them, and download firmware updates.